Hello YouTube, welcome back. As y'all can tell by the title, we will be making a DIY fabric face mask. So if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that y'all don't miss anything, and let's get into this video. So the first thing I want to do is y'all want to find y'all some material that you could breathe through. Like, I can't really breathe through this side, but I could breathe through this side. This is like an old pillowcase, and I'm gonna use this because it's cute. Okay, so the first thing y'all want to do is y'all want to take a sheet of copy paper and fold it in half because that's about the appropriate size of the mask. And whenever you lay it down, make sure you have like an inch or half an inch of space on each side because you will need that space whenever you fold and sew or glue the sides down. Next, because we're not using a sewing machine, we're going to be using this double-sided sewing tape. All I did was measure each side and cut the piece that matches the length of each side. I will be putting the size in the description box below. So after I measure it, what I do is I fold it at the top and then I take the iron and I iron the top of it so that the tape can melt and hold it together as if it was being sewn. Okay, as you can see, I'm supposed to be originally using ribbon to tie the mask around my face, but because we ran out, I'm gonna just improv and cut the rest of the pillowcase into 4 pieces. These strips are approximately 24 inches each. Okay, so basically all I did for this part was I laid the strips on each corner and then I took some of the sewing tape and I cut like maybe an inch or two of the tape and I put it on top of the strip so that whenever I fold it, it would overlap and really hold the strip inside of the flap so that it's very secure and it won't come off whenever you go to tie the mask around your head. Okay, so right here I'm folding each corner and I'm cutting off, you know, pieces that are either uneven, hanging off, or just flyaways, so that either way, on whatever side I decide to wear this mask, it will still look neat. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Before y'all judge me, this was like a trial and error for me because I've never made these before. Like, this is my very first mask I ever made. I just winged it and just show y'all how I did it. If y'all do decide to you know, make one of these, make sure you have ribbon or drawstring. I mean, so far it's not breaking. I would like maybe sew right here to make sure it's really secure, and this shouldn't break anyway, but the original plan was to use a ribbon, so I'm just letting y'all know. But this is how it looks. This is the front part of it, and this is the front part because I didn't know if I could iron this. This was my old blanket for my bed, and it's kind of like, I mean, suede, it's like soft, but apparently I can iron this, so I will be making another one. But I think this is cute too, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. How it would look. This is the inside of it, so I'm just saying how it would look if I was to wear it inside out. I could braid through it, and it ties in the back. So I'm gonna make more of these. This is cute. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys stay safe. The reason why I'm making this is because like on the news they said that it's basically airborne, like not walk outside and catch it, but you can catch it by somebody just talking to you. With me going to the hospital in like a few weeks, we gotta stay protected. So stay tuned for more videos. Turn on post notifications so that y'all don't miss anything. We'll see y'all later.